Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm teaching you how I gel down my natural hair. um I'm not a fashion YouTuber, but I just had to do this video because a lot of people have asked me how I gel down my hair. But before I start, I need to show you the thing I use all together in making the hairstyle. So the first is my hair comb. I've had this comb for a while. It's one of my favorite combs, so I use this to comb my hair. The next is my tail comb. This tail comb is my friend. It's what I use in parting my hair. So whenever I want to part my hair, to weave, to do anything, I use it because it has a very sharp tail end. I also have my toothbrush. This is very useful. I know it's a toothbrush, but it can be used for so many things, so I use this for my hair. I use this to slick down my hair when I'm done applying the gel. So the most important tool or product or whatever item that I use, it's this Eco Style Gel. I use the Eco Style Gel because it's really cool. It doesn't flake. Well, at least for 3-4 days it doesn't flake, but subsequently it starts flaking. But all together, it's still my best gel to use for this hairstyle. One other very important product is my Cantu air conditioner. See, this air conditioner is very useful. I think Cantu should actually pay me for advertising their products free of charge. They should pay me. This product is very nice. The conditioner, to be precise. If I don't apply this conditioner to my hair, trust me, I won't be able to comb my hair. So I'm going to show you in a few seconds how I apply this to my hair. So my hair is wet. I just washed it, so I will be applying just a little portion of my conditioner to my hair to make it soft and easy for me to comb. Well, in terms of how long it takes to get this done, sometimes it takes me about 30 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes, sometimes less than that. So it depends on how fast I want to do it. Now I'm done with that. So the next step for me is to comb my hair. It's really a struggle combing natural hair. It's really a big struggle, but I'm gonna try my best. My hand hurts right now. It's really tough. Yeah, I think I'm done combing. So because I just applied the conditioner, and it has it's a bit whitish because it's not air dry, so I'm gonna leave my hair to dry for about 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll be right back to apply the gel and to show you how I style the hair. I'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So my hair is a little bit dry, so the next step is to part my hair into 4 different sections. You can part into as many sections as you want, but I like to do it very fast, so I part into 4 sections. You need to have rubber bands to do this, or any kind of band, so that you can put the different parts in place once you're done cutting it out. Right now, I don't have any rubber bands. I play with rubber bands in the house, so often I misplace my rubber band. So I'm just gonna twist each section before I start applying the gel. The sections don't have to be equal. All you just need to do is to have your hair in different sections to make it easy for you to apply the gel. Now my hair is in 4 sections. So The next is to apply the gel. So I'm gonna start with the front section. Yeah, just comb it out a little. So for the gel, I just apply as I wish. I don't measure. I don't know. I just apply as much as I want to make the hair really sleek. Then again to move to the next section. Now let me do the back. Okay, so I just love to comb the front and the back together. So I have just one section on the left side. According to the lady who I learned this style from, there's no right or wrong way to get this done. The more important thing is for you to get your hair properly gelled down. You can see the waves are starting to show. The waves. Oh, I love the waves. Okay, I'm gonna move to the next section. My hand really hurts. Yes, so now I will be combining all the sections together. Yeah, I think I'm done using the gel, so I just need to comb through and then slick down with my toothbrush. So depending on whatever style you want to make with it, be it center parts, side part, ponytail, whatever, in the ponytail in the middle or at the back of your hair, you can just slick down with your hand to whatever position you want your ponytail. So this is what I have. Hey guys, so this is the scarf I'm gonna tie around my hair, and I'm gonna leave it on for a long time, maybe till tomorrow. Right now it's 12 p.m. where I am, so I will leave it until maybe when I have my bath tomorrow morning, probably say 6 or 7 a.m. This is what I have now. We will unveil together tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday I told you that we would unveil this together, and now we will begin the unveiling process. Um, don't really have time for this. Ta-da! This is what we have right here. The final results. So this is how I get my hair gelled down. So that will be all for today.